Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited because my amazing, wonderful, best boyfriend in the world got me a birthday gift, and I already know what it is, obviously. It is the infamous Gucci belt. So I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. This is my first kind of, well, he purchased it, but it's like the first kind of big designer thing that I have. So of course I wanted to get my unboxing and first impression of it for you guys. So if you want to see me unbox this beautiful Gucci belt, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I seriously was waiting by the door for days because I knew this was coming and I was just so excited. This came in the mail yesterday and it took so much for me not to tear this open, but I love you guys and I waited until I knew I had time to film because I wanted to get this unboxing on video for you guys. So when it came in the mail, it came in a box. I opened the box already because I don't think you guys wanted me to open a cardboard box online for you, but it did come with this little letter. It says Gucci on the back. So I'm gonna open it and just see what's in there. Oh, okay, so this is just a label just in case I need to return it. And then there's just a little card in there as well. So nothing too fancy, but let's get into the good stuff now. So this is the bag that it came in. This is so cute. It's like a little Gucci shopping bag. So I am going to undo the little ribbon. Open it up. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this wrapping. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm literally just gonna keep this box for display too because I'm so obsessed with it. This is so nice. Let's just rip it open. So I'm gonna, oh, I guess you can't. I don't really know what the best way to open, oh, there we go. Okay, so I undid this. Getting serious in here, guys. And before I open this too, I just want to say a huge thank you to, I can't stress enough, the most amazing boyfriend in the world. He knows that I've been wanting this for a while now and my birthday was coming up, so he did gift this to me. So thank you so much. I love you, thank you. I'm really excited. Sorry, this is a little hard to do on camera, guys. Ah! Okay, awesome. So inside it's just that cute little wrapping paper with a Gucci sticker. I want to be very gentle with this, so I'm gonna do that. Put this back in here nicely. And oh, this is so cute. I'm definitely keeping this pouch. This is gonna be perfect for travel, so I'm really excited about that. I love how much they wrapped this too. Like, they really did not want this getting messed up in the mail. And then they put another little sticker on here as well. So I got the size 75. I asked one of the customer service representatives on their website to kind of help match me, and I let them know my measurements and my pant size, and they just told me the best size based off of those things, which was 75, so I am praying that it fits perfectly. I usually, when I wear pants, I do high-waisted pants, so I'm always wearing things closer to my waist. I know that also plays a factor into what size you should get. Like, I think they were saying if you wear more kind of low-rise pants, something that's closer to your hips, then you should go up a size, like a size bigger. And then if you're doing around your waist closer, like high-waisted pants, you should measure closer to your waist and base your decision off of that. And I'd probably do something in the middle if you plan on wearing both, but I don't really have any low rise pants. I feel like in 2020 not too many people do. So yeah, I got size 75. Oh my God. Guys, I was never a belt person until recently too. And I don't know why, but lately I've been really into cute belts. And I've been dying to have this for a while now. This is just like one of those staple pieces that you have to have in your closet if you can. And this is just amazing. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. I got like the shiny logo. I just really liked how that looked. And I got the skinny one. This was like the 0.8 centimeters, I think it was. I just like the look of that. For me, I like the slimmer appearance. Maybe in the future, I will go for the bigger one as well. But as for right now, if I had to pick one between the two, I watched a few videos and I just thought the skinny one looked a little nicer. So that is what I chose. It comes with 5 holes and they say that it's supposed to fit in the middle hole. That's kind of how they measure what looks the best and the most symmetrical, I guess. So I'm hoping it fits in the middle hole, but we will see. Again, this is what it looks like. I'm freaking out right now on the inside because this is so perfect and so beautiful. I'm literally freaking out. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So here is what the belt looks like. Let me just hide this. This looks so cute, guys. The only thing is, I think I could have gone with a smaller size. Like, as you can see right here, it's kind of loose. So I feel like a 70 even would have been perfect. Like, I could go even to this last hole, and I feel like the last hole kind of fits perfectly. Just for reference, my waist is a size 24 and my hips are a size 32. I measured closer again to my waist because these are the kinds of jeans that I wear on a day-to-day basis pretty much. I only ever wear high-waisted jeans. So let me just put it back in. I feel like this still looks good though, and I don't know if I'm wearing this right because this little tail is sticking out, but I feel like this looks really cute. I really love this belt, and it's so thick. Like, you can just tell that the quality is amazing on it. Again, it just feels really good. So this is it when I wear it on the 3rd hole. When you wear it on the 3rd hole, it gives you just enough room on the edge so that the tail isn't sticking out. So even if it is a little loose, I would probably wear it like this. I feel like it still kind of suits me. Like, it doesn't look like it's crazy loose, you know? Like, it fits pretty nice on there. Or I could even do the 4th hole, I guess. Let's see how that turns out though. Okay, so I feel like maybe the 4th hole is the best. This is sticking out just a little bit, but I feel like it's pretty perfect. Like, it looks really cute, and I'm obsessed with this little G logo on the front. It just looks so beautiful and classy and just amazing. Let me take this off so I can show you some more. So I definitely think if you are a similar shape to me, if you have like that size 24 inch waist and like around 32 inch for your hips, I would go for a 70 probably. This is just a little bit big. I can make it work though. I don't mind that it's not specifically on the 3rd hole. I think it still fits pretty perfectly, even on the last or the 2nd to last holes. So I am just really happy with it. The quality, like when you touch the belt, it just feels like it's really good quality. On the back of it, it just has the Gucci name imprinted and some wording on there. but I'm so happy with this already. This is just a first impression. Of course, I'm gonna be wearing this with different outfits, seeing how I like it then. But as of right now, I am just so obsessed. Like I said, I have been wanting this for quite some time now, and I'm just so thankful to my boyfriend for getting this for me as a birthday gift. Again, thank you so much. I just really, really love this. Like I said, it's a classic. Like, this is like a staple piece if you are to get kind of like a designer piece of clothing or an accessory or something. I feel like this is one of those pieces that is just something you need in your closet, you know? Like, and I'm so, so grateful and happy that I have this. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time. Like, you're probably gonna see me in this literally all the time, because I'm obsessed. I think it's the perfect size, the perfect width. It could have been a little bit shorter, I will say that, but I'm not complaining. I think it's still perfect. So that's all I've got for you guys. I'm really, really happy about this. This is my unboxing slash first impression slash giving you guys my sizing for the iconic Gucci belt. So if you liked this unboxing, please make sure to give this video a big, big thumbs up for me. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the belt. If you haven't gotten it already, but you're planning to get it, let me know what width you're getting. I want to know what more people like. I personally prefer the skinny one, but let me know what you guys think. Please make sure to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It shows me that you're supporting me and that you want to see more videos like this on my channel. So please subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.